We're out here at Stonehenge too. Kerrville, Ingram, Texas. I got Stonehenge, and they got some Easter Island heads. Wow. Pretty mad dog. Oh, no climbing the artifacts. That was the original one. I think that's the one that inspired it all, that little one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a thing over there. He had a leftover.
He had this and this?
He had leftovers from when he was building his back patio. And they liked the way these ones look. This one was standing upright, so then they built all this. And then the guy went to Easter Island, so they put in the big Easter Island heads.
Wow.
They're heroes. Real Americana. Who says Americans?
Stand in the middle. And then, like, jump or something. Look over. Wow, we crushed it. It's a good shot, honey.
Yay, yay.
It's a good shot, honey.
It's the place to be. Stonehenge 2, Easter Island. Power. Kerrville Folk Festival. Every Memorial Day. A couple weeks of folk music. Pure Americana. One love, legalize it.